Hello, my name is Mark. I'm here to give an overview of the museum. CCM exhibits the treasured troves of the art, which we believe to be also the heritage of all humankind. As a result of the interaction between different cultures and civilization, our galleries reflect the beauty of each civilization that has passed through the UAE, in particularly in Dubai. The historical exchange between civilization unfolds over 6 permanent galleries at the CCM. The local gallery is the first of the galleries of the Crossroads of Civilization Museum and serves as an introduction to the history of the crossroads of civilizations, cultural and commercial exchanges which took place across our locale. It also set the tone to all the galleries within our museum group, which include Rare Books, Prints, and Manuscript Museum, and the Armory Museum. There are selected artifacts, manuscripts, traditional weapons, and historical coins, which reflects the style and design of different civilizations. The Royal Gallery is the second highlight of Royal Connections, displaying the beautiful artifacts, manuscripts, and old prints which illustrates the contribution to those individuals who have influenced historical events in the Middle East. The third gallery shows the writings, maps, and drawings of explorers and travelers, as well as an interesting spies where the main source of information about Arabia, including the Trucial States and the rest of the Middle East. The Palestine Gallery, a number of objects including historical maps of Palestine, old stamps from Palestine, Egypt, Syria, Lebanon, Iraq, and Jordan are displayed. The Multi-Faith Gallery that reflects the true spirit of the UAE, the spirit that reflects its cultural and values including tolerance, acceptance, and respect for self and others, and the understanding of the positive advantages that come from cultural differences. The last gallery, that is Islamic Art Gallery, exhibits different civilizations across the world, their understanding of Islam producing a variety of Quranic manuscripts and innovative calligraphy, reflecting the art and calligraphy of the civilization. One of our most prized exhibits, a cover of Door of the Kaaba or Sitara, sent to Mecca by Sultan Sulaiman. This is the Majlis set to our visitors, and this is the gift shop of the museum where visitors buy things for the remembrance of history of UAE.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be